Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is a breaking news because guess what has arrived on my doorstep? It is the Melodie Cecile Josette bag. I hope I'm saying that right. Anyhow, this beautiful bag, I've been anticipating it for quite some time. I've had several subscribers ask me about it, and I have it in my hot little hands. I have to confess, I've already taken a peek, and I've taken off most of the wrapping so that we don't have to bore our way through doing that. And I've also played with some accessories that I can't wait to share with you. So without further ado, let's open up this beautiful bag. So Melodie Cecile packages her bags in these really sturdy boxes, and they're not meant to arrive to you in pristine condition. She puts the box inside of a plastic mailer, and it is designed to get the bag to you. So don't be distressed if it gets a couple little nicks on the way to your doorstep. She does provide a beautiful dust bag with her logo. Melodie Cecile owns the company Dress Up Your Purse, and her branding for handbags is shifting to be Melodie Cecile instead of DUYP on the bags. Melodie is a French designer, and she has impeccable taste in terms of quality. Her Togo leather bags are dreamy, they feel amazing, and this one is no exception. So let me reveal the fabulous, the gorgeous Josette bag. All right, you can see I've already put a chain on it. I was playing. This is just a little bit of the wrapping that came on the bag. Of course, the strap was all wrapped up, and I wanted to draw attention to the hardware. It is a little bit different than what Melodie has done on previous bags. It feels like very good quality to me. I am impressed. It may look like I have this set up wrong, but the bag, if you're gonna wear it with the strap, it does cinch with this little clasp like so, and then the strap hooks on to these two hooks. So it kind of folds in a different way if you plan to use it crossbody. You can also carry it this way. And let me just go ahead and take off the chain. I feel like it's sort of getting in the way. The chain is by Next Fashion. It's one of the chain charms that I designed with Paul. I will link Next Fashion down below with my discount code, which is HBHW20. And of course, I have a discount code for this beauty. It is HBHW15. This bag has feet, and they do come protected with these little plastic covers, which I removed. So let's just check out this bag in greater detail. So you can see the closure up at the top now that I have the chain off. If you open it up, there is very easy access. And let me go ahead and put the strap on and try it on. This bag is similar to the Hermes Picotin, but I think Melodie has improved the design because the Picotin does not offer a strap. And I am a crossbody bag girly, and I don't necessarily always have to carry the bag crossbody, but I love to have the option. And if a bag were only top handle, I just don't know that I would be interested in it. Look how the bag on the inside has a floor in the Togo leather, and then the sides are the back side of the leather. They are the most luxurious feeling suede. And then the glazing is in a darker brown than the bag itself, which is the taupe color. I have the bag currently on the shortest setting, and it's not fastened closed. So you can see it does just normally rest in the closed position. If I wanted to go ahead and close it, it's not really going to change the shape of the bag too much. It's just going to give me a bit more security. If I wanted to wear it lower down on my body, I could drop it all the way down to there. This is the longest setting. So you got the view of the shortest setting all the way down to the longest. And I'm not sure which one I like better. I lean towards short, but now that I'm looking at myself through the camera lens, I am not sure that that is going to stay my favorite way to wear it. I think the best way to wear this bag is on the crook of the arm like this. But like I said, having that crossbody strap is everything. It is so nice to have options. This bag smells amazing. That's something I want to point out right away. The leather smell is delicious. It is super soft and super smooshy, as you can tell. I want to show you the texture of it. It's really quite well made. I'm going to go ahead and take this strap off now that we've demonstrated what it looks like. And I want to do a size comparison between the Paris 15 and the Josette bag. The Josette bag is much, much deeper, as you can see. I imagine it will hold a lot. I'm going to go ahead and throw all of my items inside of it here in just a minute. Here it is compared to the mini Boston bag. You can tell the mini Boston bag's probably closer in depth to the Josette, but it offers an entirely different aesthetic. Now, this is the bag for my 7,000 subscriber giveaway. If you're not subscribed, please go do so. As soon as I hit 7,000, I will announce the rules for the giveaway. And it does include this Louis Vuitton luggage tag and chain that I have accessorized it with. You can tell by my outfit that I'm matching this bag. This is still my bag of the day. It is the Keepall 25, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the items from the Keepall into the Josette. Here is how my items fit inside. Now, I do have some cards in the side pockets of the Keepall that I can go ahead and put back into their card holders, but I've got this Prada card case here. That's where I keep the ones I use the most. I have this pouch and another pouch inside the Josette already. I've got my key fob and AirPods case, a pouch I keep medicine in. Really, you can just throw things in there and they all fit very easily. I'm keeping my coins and cash in my Bastia coin purse. Now, Dress Up Your Purse does offer a very similar coin purse that is excellent quality if you're interested. And then I have this little handbag hook that I got from a reseller who I really like. And I've actually just made my third purchase from her. I think her name is up right on this, but her name is Alexandra Radinger, and she has a website called luxuryaccessories.com. I'll link it down below. And here is the second. So I really just have everything piled in there. I may try to organize it just a bit here in a second. And then I have a few odds and ends, and I do think I need to put these little things in a pouch or something just to keep them from being loose in the bag. I've got a pack in case I have an emergency nosebleed, a glasses cleaning cloth, and then a Kohl's cash. I do have this Dress Up Your Purse Corsica case, and I'm gonna use this to hold these 3 items. So there they are inside. So now everything is in there that was in my Keepall, and I still have oodles of room, but keep in mind, I just added 2 card cases. In my Keepall, those cards were in a bag organizer, and then I also added that Corsica card case from Dress Up Your Purse. I can definitely do better with organization. So there you go. I have everything lined up, and I do think that with all the different cases I have that it's going to stay put that way. And it's funny because I just realized I organized everything lined up the wrong direction. So I've got to shift them the other way. And that actually works so much better to shift it that direction. Everything just stays slotted really nicely when it's laid out that way. Because of how the bag fastens, you do want to put your widest item in the middle because that is where the bag wings out the most. So there she is, all loaded up, and I do have it fastened. I thought it would be fun to try this strap on. Now, I know this is Fendi, but look how well that matches this bag. And it has similar hardware to the one that Melodie put on, although I do think her hardware is better quality than the Fendi hardware. This Togo strap is so much more elegant than the guitar strap I'm trying on right now, and it is extremely comfortable. I just like to play with straps, as you may know, and so that is why we are doing just that. So you'll have to let me know what you think. Do you like this bag with the Fendi strap? I'm not sure it really dangles the best because the sides are going to get weighed down by this strap. So it's a cute option, but I'm not sure I'm going to wear it this way. I think I prefer the original strap it came with over the Fendi strap, but it was fun to just see what it would look like because the color matches really well. There are 6 holes on the strap, and this is the 3rd from the shortest. I do have all my stuff inside, and it doesn't hurt my shoulder at all. And you'll notice that the buckle is right there, and it's a very low profile buckle, and it feels amazing. And I'm a person who has issues with buckles. Now, the bag does have a profile where it sticks out, and that is why I do think it's cuter held like this. But that said, being a crossbody girl, I love that Melodie included a crossbody strap with the Josette bag. Here's the charm. I think we have a winner. This is hitting in a really nice spot, and I love that it combines the gold and the silver on the charm. Let me give you the length of this one. So this one is 13.5 inches end to end, so it's probably his 12-inch option. If you spread the bag out like this, you can see that it goes up a lot higher, but the bag tends to want to sag a little bit, and so that brings it down to there, which is a really pretty aesthetic. I just don't know. I don't know which length is the best. This one here is almost 18 inches. We're going to try that now. I guess it just depends on what you're looking for. I think he would have had this one listed as 16, and then the clasps bring it down to the almost 18-inch length. Looking at it, I think it's my favorite option if you do want to deck this bag out with a chain charm. And it's a beautiful combination. There are all different combinations on his website where he puts different kinds of link chain together. This is 2 different kinds. And when we were in the process of designing these, it was fun to put gunmetal and gold and silver and gold together so that you could accessorize your bag in different ways. So this is the new Josette bag by Dress Up Your Purse in the taupe color. I think it is great. It holds all my stuff super easily and cinches in beautifully. The leather is divine, and I think it's fun to play dress up with her too, which is something I love to do, and something that's really hard to do unless you have D-rings. So this bag does offer you those D-rings on the sides, which lets you play a little bit with the bag. With Hermes, with the Picotin, you just don't have as many options in terms of flexibility of wearing it different ways and dressing up the bag. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to order this beautiful bag, I will have it linked down below. I'm sure it's on pre-order right now. She generally will get a certain number of orders and then put them into production and get them out within a few months, but I will link it down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. What are you waiting for? If you want to reach out to me, I always put my contact information down in the description box. My email is thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com, and you can find me on Instagram @thehandbaghousewife. I've kind of forgotten my spiel as I've went along here. I've done it a little differently. I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.